and knocked them off in that package and come around and put them in the hive.
Yeah.
And they all run right in there, you know.
Yeah, they'll go in. Yeah.
I figured those, that's too little to worry about. But they coming in and out pretty good now, so. I suppose I got that queen.
Well, I think you did. But it wouldn't take long to check them out if you wanted to look
Right.
for them.
You want to crack it open? You know, I believe the gloves is more important than the suit itself.
Yep. Which one is right here?
Right here. When I first put them in here, they was buzzing pretty loud, the swarm was.
Mm-hmm.
But they calmed right down the next day. Oh, there ain't no bees in there.
Oh,
That's just the feeder.
let me get my gloves on.
All right. Good gracious. They have drained this feed, I'll say that.
Really can't believe how much them things can eat.
I'm telling you. This bucket was good gracious. They drained it pretty good. Let's see. I mean, it was up here where I had it. And look at how far it's been going down.
Mm-hmm. They hungry.
Mm-hmm.
They ain't no telling how long they've been out.
Nothing.
They'll swarm and they got them little scouts that go look for a place for them to live. That's amazing.
I'm telling you, it is. But see, and they ain't no predicting how long they'll stay on that limb, is there?
Nope. Usually when they first swarm and go out there just around the hive, not too far from it,
Mm-hmm.
they'll stay about 24 hours.
Right.
And then they'll go, they ain't no telling how far they'll go, mile and a half.
Right.
And
I know they went right down there to the barn. And I mean, it was just a coincidence. Mama walked right up on them.
there it is. Okay.
There's they up in there.
Look for her on there.
I don't see any drones in this hive yet.
They're growing.
They scattered about them frames, I'll say that. As if they doing something. Well, no, there's a drone. No, is that a drone? I think that may have been a drone there.
I see drones here.
Mm-hmm. That's probably a drone. I'm not experienced in looking for a queen.
She's going to be a long body.
I see quite a few drones on here. There's another drone. Drone. Well, that's a pretty good size drone there now. Y'all don't get too frisky. They hadn't started pulling comb out yet, but that's still be early for them to do that. You might need to look after me on this frame, I'm not sure. I didn't see her, but I'm not experienced in that.
Heard of the newspaper method?
No. Of combining colonies, or?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. I have. Combining colonies that way.
Sometimes, just for instance, you wanted to put that nuke on top of this,
Right.
put that newspaper there, combine the nuke to do it.
Mm-hmm.
Where did this come from?
It came from the sun about right in there, wasn't it?
Right there?
Mm-hmm. When you're catching a swarm, how would you go about identifying the queen?
You just have to, she's in there, you just have to do like you did here.
Come back and after you put them in the hive?
But after they settle down and start making combs, she'll start laying eggs.
That's the best way, yeah, when you see eggs. Now look at you, get right there where I set the bucket down. Sorry, rascal. Alright. Where's that body? Yes, sir. Get off the edges there.
I tell you, you've done your homework all right.
Yes, sir, I've done a pretty good bit of homework, hopefully.
It's going to take a little time for them to build up. This time of year, especially those that I just put in there, they will explode.
Yes, sir. After all the bees got out of the packages, I straightened the hives back up and took the packages up. I got that one back out and put the bees back in the hive. But I'll take it back, didn't I?
Thing to have.
It is.
You ever heard about the little balcony? Wow.
No, sir. I ain't heard about that, no.
What you do is you put a balcony. Pick one end of one of those things like that right there.
Right.
And the other one, pick it where your vacuum's going to pull them into that. You don't want a real strong vacuum from it, just enough to get them in there and push. So you don't want to put too much stress on them. But after you get them in there, you put your bag around that thing. See? And tape both ends of it.
Right.
And that vacuum pulls it in there. You can go in, but you can't get out because you're going to put your screen on the end that there goes through.
Right.
I'll show you mine.
Look at it, see, I might need me one of them if I run into a bunch of swarms down here.
Well, getting them out of a house,
That's
a
pretty
wall
good.
of a house, cats can't shake them off.